I've just landed in Singapore and have one action-packed day to make the most of this incredible city. From getting hands-on with local flavors to exploring the vibrant Sentosa Island and capping it all off with thrills and chills, it is going to be non-stop adventure. Let's dive in. There are two things I need to tell you guys. One, I'm in Singapore because Klook invited me here. Klook's the booking platform. They're putting on this big event. They invited a whole bunch of creators here from all different parts of the world. We're talking like over 100 different creators. It's kind of wild. Which brings me to point number two. They planned the whole itinerary today. We've got a small group of creators. We're all going to go out and we're going to do some stuff together. I didn't look at the itinerary. I have no idea what that's going to be. We're going to find out together. To get through this day, we're going to need a coffee. So I have snuck out of our hotel, show you what later, and I've got myself a coffee bang. I've got a takeaway, so it comes in this cute little thing with its little handle. It cost me $2. That's exactly what I need. No, that'll get your motor running. Guys, I need to introduce you to someone very special. This is Sam.
Hi. I was like, hold on, am I the someone special?
Yes.
Someone else about to appear?
Yes. And I'll put Sam's Instagram so you can check out her content as well.
Oh, thank you. I'm a baby travel creator. I'm new to the world.
Is at Food Playground. We're doing a cooking class. We're starting with the nasi lemak. If you've never had that before, it's a rice dish, very famous here and in Malaysia. It's gonna be good, I think. Several hours later.
Many.
It is finally time to eat, guys. It took a minute to get here, but we're ready. We've got our hats back on. So we've got the rice, we've got the sambal prawns. They also have some egg that they made and some cucumber. I'm just going straight prawns and rice. Because we've been cooking so long, the rice is cold. But the flavors are excellent, and so are the textures. I cooked the rice a little like al dente. It's got a little bit of chew to it. Prawns are beautiful, good flavor.
That's so spicy.
Oh, we compromised on spice level, but we probably should have gone a little bit lighter.
I'm not a spicy gal. My tongue is burning. Maybe some slice of cucumber would cool it down.
I'm so sorry. Cooking class is a really great way to immerse yourself in Singapore's food scene, and honestly, you have to. Coming to Singapore is all about the food. One thing I get really upset about is when people comment or message me, or even friends I meet, and they're like, it was so expensive. I ate at all these great restaurants and it cost me a fortune. Yes, Singapore can be expensive food-wise if that's what you want it to be, but every local will tell you the best food goes down the hawker centers and it only costs you a few dollars. Coming here was a really great hands-on experience, and I have never done a cooking class before. I will have a link in the video description for you so you can book it yourself. And you guys, you can use my Klook creator code TRAVELFORPHOEBE to get a discount on all your Klook bookings, so make sure you use that too. Believe it or not, it's time for more food. So we've come to a sweet little spot called Simpopo Coffee. It is in Funan Mall. If you've not been to Funan before and you love all things tech, this is your spot. It is floor upon floor of tech, camera gear, all that kind of stuff. When I'm in Singapore and I need to buy some cameras, this is where I come. Now, Simpopo have served us up a tasting platter of Singaporean treats. I don't know how we're going to eat all of this, but we're going to try it all. It's kind of like a dessert flight, I would say. We've got this, and we're just going to take a bite of everything, and we're going to rate it. We're going to start with something called Kueh Kosui. It actually says that.
Jiggly.
Very coconutty. Nice and chewy. I like it. Not a very strong flavor. Nagasturi. It says tapioca would be more famous if it was made like this. Let's try it.
So I'm the same. Yeah, I thought like in Japan they're more strict.
I don't know how to describe the flavor to you guys. It's like a savory sweet. Coconutty. I prefer the texture of that one to the jelly one. And this last one, the Simpoko Mochi. Oh.
It would. Yeah, they would. While you're walking.
Oh, that's really good. I like that one a lot.
Great.
Okay, if you want to taste a whole bunch of Singaporean treats and have a really good experience with a great cup of coffee in air conditioning where you aren't going to melt, this is the spot to do it. Something really exciting is happening to me. These guys, I don't even know what's the genre called.
We're going to Pop Mart.
Oh, dude, there's a Pop Mart displayed here. You can get a little taste.
Oh my god, okay, yeah.
These guys are like really influential in the space?
The toy space. The fashion toy, if you will.
But like cool big kid stuff. I've never been to a Pop Mart and I think I'm gonna buy something cute. I hope this awakens a whole new phase of my life for me.
There is a Pop Mart for everyone. Like there's so many niche characters, so they'll be one for you. I also really like Peach Riot, which they are fairies who are in a rock band. So in the glass cabinets here, they show you all of the options that you could get in like the box underneath it.
Oh.
Yeah, so you can see.
But is it always a lucky dip?
Always.
Always.
Yes. They do have stores here in Singapore though that sell, when people unbox it and they don't get the one they want, they sell it to the store and then you can buy it from the store if you do want to know what you're getting, but that's no fun.
So the thing I should do here is find characters that I find adorable and then I choose the corresponding box and hope I get a cute one.
Exactly, yes. And I generally only go for ones where like, if I like all of them, you know, then it's a good buy.
Oh, that's great advice. So you have to like the whole series and that way you're happy if you get one at all.
Generally speaking, yeah.
Okay. I'm a big fan of Labubu. Where's he?
He is the most elusive. If he's in stock, it will be a miracle.
Oh.
But we'll try and find him.
I can see why he's the cutest.
He's the best one.
The time has come. This is my first unboxing.
This is your official indoctrination into the cult of Pop Mart / Pals Pals. They go hand in hand, really. Now, the most important thing is when you open it, you need to close your eyes because there's a card in there that's about the character that you've got. Oh. So if you see it, then you've spoiled it before you've opened the plastic packet.
Oh, he's in a plastic bag in there. Okay.
Yeah, so we'll do this one together.
Yeah, let's do it together.
Okay, so we're gonna rip, and that's fine. You can have your eyes open.
Okay, open those.
And now for this part, close your eyes and just reach around and get the plastic bag out. And then you put the box aside.
Oh my god, I'm so nervous.
Okay. Show everyone which one you want.
Oh, I really want Pink Bunny. I really want Pink Bunny. Yeah, I want Pink Bunny #1.
Alright, let's go. Ready?
So happy for you. Yeah, you can do this.
That is not a puppy morning dew.
Oh no, that's a disappointment.
Oh, she's a diva though.
She's so cute.
I don't have any of this character yet. This
I love her.
Frankie Sunflower. What a cutie.
I love her. Okay.
Alright, you're up.
Show them
Drum
first.
roll.
They know what it is.
You got the exact one you wanted. This is how they get you. Now you're gonna become addicted.
Guys, you don't understand. I was not going to be happy unless I got this one.
The odds are so slim, and yet
Do you love
get
it?
out of town. Having a first successful Pop Mart experience is the start to every addiction.
I love this. Oh my god, gambling is the best.
All I wanna do is all about you.
For accommodation here in Singapore, I'm staying at the Park Royal Collection, Pickering, and it is truly one of Singapore's most stunning hotels. My room is spacious, comfortable, and filled with luxurious touches, perfectly blending modern elegance with lush greenery. This eco-friendly hotel is an architectural masterpiece, featuring cascading gardens and an atmosphere that feels kind of like an oasis in the city. Plus, its central location makes it the perfect base for exploring everything Singapore has to offer. I have loved staying here and I would visit again. I'll have a link below for you to book your stay too.
All I wanna do is all about you.
Today is the day of firsts, and I guess one of the good things about not planning an itinerary yourself is you do things you would never normally do otherwise. We're at Madame Tussauds on Sentosa Island. I've never been here, I would never plan to come here. It's not really my thing, but with that in mind, I'm going into this with an open mind, an open heart, and an open love for wax figures. And we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see what happens here.
We're gonna meet Spider-Man.
Are we? Is he in there?
He's there, entombed in wax forever.
I don't care what people say. Even if you fly away, I'm on a butterfly. It's him with a lullaby. No fooling around, baby, you're mine.
Okay, unfiltered thoughts. I was surprised by how much you get into it, is the truth of it. You sort of like, you start off and you're like, oh, I don't know. And then by the end of it, you're being really cheesy and taking photos with all the wax figures. I am not sure that's really my personal kind of thing. If I
Who was your favourite celebrity that you've ever got to meet?
You.
Oh, great.
So look, it's not my personal kind of thing, but I know a lot of people love that and there were a lot of people in there that were enjoying it. So I'll have some links below for you and make sure you use that code TRAVELFORPHOEBE for a discount. I have two recommendations for you. The Sky Helix, which I have never done before. You kind of get strapped into these seats and you take up into the sky. You're like 12 stories up and it's slowly spinning around. Don't worry, you won't get motion sickness. It is beautiful up there and the views are amazing, especially if you can time it for golden hour. And right now we're in the cable car. Now I have done this before. It's a great way to get from Phoebe Peak over to Sentosa Island and back. The views are unreal, you guys. And if you are visiting Sentosa for the day, this is the way I recommend doing it. I have a link in the video description for you so you can book your tickets. Okay, this is wild. It's like a speakeasy dining experience. There's a hidden door that's going through this kind of weird hallway. Let's find out where this leads. I have never been in a restaurant where this was the entry before. Late, so we're going to be moving through this at breakneck speed, starting with course number 1, a burger. This seems to be a situation where you move through different worlds, and at each world we're going to eat something different. This one we've got a jackfruit burger. We've literally got 5 minutes to eat it. It's delicious. It's yummy. I love a jackfruit burger. Our next course is a fish dish.
Then on, you gotta collect the cards. Oh. Why?
The fish is good.
You will see that they will form a puzzle.
Oh my god, I'm crazy. Sorry, trying to vlog this and do this at the same time is wild. Hey everybody. What's everybody? What's his name? Cereal chicken pot pie. The sun has set and we are doing something really special and a little bit spooky tonight. Not only are we going to Universal Studios Singapore, we're doing this special Halloween horror nights, you guys. That's right. I've never done a night like this before at a theme park where you go in after dark. It's meant to be terrifying, haunted houses.
It's gonna be so scary.
Oh my god. I have never been to anything like this before. I feel like this is so American, you know, like Knott's Berry Farm, that kind of thing. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm a little bit scared.
I'm scared too.
Sammy and I are devastated. She has the same tradition as I do. You get to the park, you get your ears.
You can't not get ears.
And we were we were going to get special Halloween ears, but it looks like everything is closed. So I guess I'm just gonna have to enjoy the rides and the food and whatever spooky things they have in store for us. I'm scared. Ah!
absolutely wild. Once a year, the whole park transforms into a spine-chilling spectacle after dark. Think haunted houses, creepy scare zones, and live performances that will have you jumping out of your skin. Plus, you can still hop on the rides with way shorter queues. No battling the Singapore heat here, it's so good. Honestly, I've never experienced anything like it. It's the perfect mix of thrills, chills, and just plain fun. If you happen to be here when it's on, I highly recommend visiting. And with that, you guys, that brings this week's episode to a close. I really hope you've enjoyed it. If you don't already, be sure to subscribe right now so you never miss a single episode, and say hello in the comments below. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you with a brand new episode next week. Love ya!